Apples are probably the epitome of the domesticated crop. And while the ancestral home of the apple tree is actually in Kazakhstan, they now appear in every single continent except for Antarctica. They're also believed to be the second most grown fruit after bananas. The thing about apples for me though is I don't know any other fruit which is so readily referred to by its particular cultivar or its human given name. Granny Smith, Golden Delicious, Fuji, Macintosh, Gala, Bramley. And that just goes to show or reflect the sheer heterozygosity. Do you like that one? Big word of the day. How are you getting on? The heterozygosity of apples, and that basically refers to the sheer variety within a certain species. You know, all the different kinds for cooking, for cider, for eating, dessert, all that kind of crack. There are three main reasons why I believe apples have been so successful, and the first one is it's appealing to our desire for beauty and taste. So the beauty is in the curvy shape, it's smooth, it can fit into your hand, and it has those lovely red or green hues coming out. And then obviously taste because of its sweetness. Interesting side note, historians believe that the forbidden fruit in Eden would have been a pomegranate, not an apple. And I read that in Michael Pollan's book, The Botany of Desire. The second reason for apple's success is its ability to be grafted. So that's how it can be grown on every single continent. All you need is the rootstock, a parent rootstock that can tolerate the soil and draw up nutrients from it. And then you can take whatever variety of apple tree that you like and simply graft it onto it, and it takes really well to that. And then the third reason is how it has evolved to make sure that its apple seed is ready and good to go as soon as the apple has been eaten. So the apple does not mature, or it's not ripe, ready for consumption until the apple seed inside is ready. The apple seed comes out and it's ready to plant immediately, but the apple seed is also not very tasty in itself. It's quite bitter, and it contains cyanide. Of course, not enough cyanide to kill you. We've all eaten apple seeds before and nobody's died from it, that I know of anyway. But it does contain traces of cyanide, which is extremely poisonous if you had higher concentrations of it. And they do that so that we don't consume it, but that we plant it and continue the lineage of it. So those are the three reasons why I believe apple trees have been so successful. Thanks very much.